Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to hard reset of your Samsung phone. Friends, if you forget the password to unlock your Samsung phone, here is the way how easily you can open your Samsung phone. So for this, without skip or without further delay, you need to watch the whole video carefully. So let's start the main part of the video. Friends, as you can see, in my hand there is a Samsung phone. Now I'll try to unlock this phone with the password. See, because I forgot the password, that's why I can't unlock this phone. I'll try once more. Wrong password, right? Now if I try to turn off this Samsung phone, I can't do it. See, power off, again power off. It is asking the password, right? And I forgot the password, that's why I can't open this one. But if you want to unlock this phone, how you can do it? You have to hard reset your Samsung phone. Friends, for this you have to follow some criteria. First, you have to plug in your Type-C cable with your mobile, and another side you have to connect with computer. After that, you will find here is volume up button, volume down button, and here is power button, right? You have to do one thing, my friends. You have to press volume down button and power button together. After that, like 7 or 8 seconds later, your screen will be off, and when you see again Samsung text is appear on the screen, on that time you have to leave the volume down button, but you have to press volume up button, but don't leave the power button finger. After that, you'll find here the factory reset options. So now I'll show you practically. So go to on the screen. So I'll press volume down button and power button together for a few seconds, and my screen will be off. See, now screen is off. I leave the volume down button, but I press volume up button. Now I press here, my friends. You have to touch the screen here. See, reboot system now, it is selected automatically. Now if I press power button from here, it is working like OK button, and volume up button, it is working to go up like this, and volume down button, it is working to go down here. See, if you want to do factory reset or hard reset, you have to select wipe data factory reset. To come down or to go up, you can use volume up button and volume down button like this, my friends. See, now if I press power options or power button, it will work for OK button. I'll press here. Again, I'll press volume down button to go on factory data reset. Now if I press power button, it will start to factory reset of my Samsung phone. So friends, for your case, you can do it in same way, right? Now I'll go on cancel by pressing volume up button. After that, I'll press the power button to press OK, right? Again, it can reboot system now. But if you select from over there this option, factory data reset, and if you press the OK button, that means power button, after doing factory reset, it will come on this page. In same page, my friends, it will come. After that, again you have to press reboot system now. That means you have to press again power button. So friends, now I'll not reboot my Samsung phone because there is a lots of data. I'll not do it. But for your case, you have to do it to unlock your phone. You can't think about your data, because if you do factory reset or hard reset, your data will be erased from your phone, right? So friends, now I'll press the power button to reboot system now. So press power button. See, my friends, it is going to restart, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can do hard reset your Samsung phone, or you can unlock your Samsung phone in this way. So friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.